Hi friends, today we're going to make some granola and I really think you're going to like it. The base is mainly oats and almonds and walnuts and pepitas, and the wonderful coating is going to be maple syrup, mainly maple syrup, and some coconut oil and a few other things mixed in. So let's go make it right now. Okay, here we go. It's 10 easy ingredients and we're going to put them together now. So we're going to start off with the liquid ingredients, and it's going to be some coconut oil that we're going to melt in the microwave about 30 seconds or so. And we used about a cup. I added a little more off video here. And then we're going to add a half a cup of maple syrup, dark or light, it doesn't matter, I like dark. Again, about a cup of maple syrup. Let's get every last drop. And then about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Yes, a whole tablespoon. And finally some almond extract. And I don't add very much, about a half a teaspoon, maybe almost. And that's really going to be kind of to taste, as is the whole recipe. If you don't like something, leave it out and kind of go from there and see what, give it a try first and then see what you might do differently. And then we're going to mix it up really, really well so that when we mix it with the dry ingredients, it's all blended together. And I want to go ahead and say, hi Paxton and hi Wesley, Granny loves you. Got a little message at the end from Wesley too, so you want to stick around to see that and to see how it turns out. Okay, so we've got the ingredients all blended. We're going to set those to the side. And we're going to do the dry ingredients now, and it's about 2.5 cups of rolled oats. And then we're going to start adding all of the nuts. We're going to add about a half a cup of sliced almonds and about a half a cup of chopped walnuts. I chopped them a little finer than they were. I already bought them chopped, but chopped them a little finer. Half a cup of pepitas or pumpkin seeds. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of cinnamon. And then I try to get some of this in everywhere I can, about a tablespoon of ground flaxseed. There we go. And we're just going to blend all of this together so that it's mixed really well. And it's just the easiest recipe. It's 10 minutes to put it together. And it's just the, cooking after that. All right, so those dry ingredients are all mixed really well. And then we're going to add the liquid ingredients to it. And when you're mixing them in, it's going to look like it's not coated enough, but it will be. So go ahead and add that liquid ingredients. And this is pretty calorically dense, as any granola really is. And so it's, something you're going to want to add to things versus this being like a whole bowl of granola cereal. This is, which you could eat it like that, but just be mindful that it is, pretty dense from a caloric standpoint. And we're going to spread it all out in the tray. You want to preheat your oven to about 300. And it's going to cook for about 45 minutes. And you're going to take it out, spread it out really thin. And you're going to take it out about every 15 minutes or so and just give it a stir just to kind of make sure it's cooking evenly. But spread it as thin as you can on the tray. And there it is cooking. And the house is going to smell so good while you're doing this. You take it out and you're all finished, and you let it cool on, maybe for about 30 minutes or so, and that's when it's going to start to be a little crispier after that, after it's cooled. And you can add this to yogurt, you can add it to fresh fruit, or you can add it to oatmeal. I love adding it to oatmeal. Here it is finished, and it's absolutely delicious. And I really hope that you'll get a chance to try it. If you do, let me know in the comments.
If you enjoyed today's video, let's go to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.